First, you have to remove the battery. So remember that you have to remove all the battery and plugins. Even if you have switched on your laptop, you have to shut down your laptop also. You have to remove your battery also. So before putting your RAM, before inserting the RAM, you must have to remove your battery, and you must have to shut down your laptop. Now we're going to open up You can see this is the 8 GB RAM of Samsung, and I bought this from Amazon, and I got this in discount. Even you can also buy this because this is the most reliable brand. And I bought this just because my laptop was not working properly. I was getting blue desk screen continuously, and just because my laptop is very old, it's like around 10 years old, so its RAM is like around 3 GB RAM, and that is not worth it because for nowadays, because we need at least 10 to 12 GB RAM should be there in the laptop. So I got just suggested to buy a RAM instead of buying any new laptop, and I'm gonna test it for 1 year. If it's gonna work, then if it's gonna work smoothly, then I will continue with this, or else I will buy one new laptop. So till then I'm gonna work with this RAM. So I'm gonna show you how to insert this RAM. So basically I was having 2 RAM in my laptop already, so I just removed it one, and now I'm gonna insert this. So you just have to turn around like this. As you can see over here, this space should be here. How you have to insert it, like simply you have to insert it like this. Yes, and then you have to press it, and you are done. So this is how you can do it by your own also. You don't need to I'm gonna show you my total RAM after inserting my 8 GB RAM. I was having 2 RAM inside my laptop earlier, so I removed 1 GB RAM, and now I'm gonna see my RAM. So I just have to click on the desktop, right click, and then I have to go into the properties, and then as you can see it over here, it is written over here that installed memory RAM is around 10 GB. So now this is, as you can see, that my laptop is not is working very good, and I'm not right now, till now didn't get any kind of like blue desk screen. So I'm pretty much sure that it will now gonna work. I want to suggest you all that if you are also facing these kind of issues, like if your laptop is very old and if your laptop memory is around 3 GB or 4 GB, then I will surely recommend you that if it is appearing a blue desk screen, then the reason is only that you have to increase your RAM, because otherwise it will hamper while you're working. So it will hamper in your work also. It will going to be hang, and it will not allow you to work, because every time when you will start working, it will somehow the blue desk screen will surely gonna come up. So the best possible solution is just you have to buy one RAM of 8 GB or 10 GB or 4 GB. So you have to buy a RAM instead of buying any new laptop, and by this after inserting your RAM, it will gonna work very smoothly. So I hope you get all the information regarding this. If you have any kind of sort of question, or so I hope this video will gonna help you out if you are facing these kind of issues. So if you like my video, then do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any such doubts regarding RAM or regarding any kind of technical issues in your laptop, then do comment me in the comment section, and I will try my best to clear your doubts. So till then, thank you so much.